So hey, we're here at the Luxshare booth.
Luxshare is a global leading smart factory across consumer electronics, communications, automotive, and medicine. Backed by my company, all the factory in the world. In my business group, we developed a one-stop solution for the AR, VR, AI glasses and smart wearable device. So right now we are working with the brand company, developing high quality ODM and OEM AR, VR and AI glasses productions. Next 5 years, we can put up the 30% about portfolio into the no-manned area. So with the AR, VR, AI glasses as a key choice. So we will keep investing in optical sensing and AI algorithms. So and we will expand into the AI device and robotics. So that's all the introduction for my company.
Thank you so much. So awesome. Who are you? Please introduce yourself.
My name is Kevin Zheng. I am a manager for the innovation product team. So today I will show you our latest industrial AR glasses prototype. Actually there are two. One is for full-color AR glasses and another is single green displayed AR glasses. They are both use the new technology and developed by our team.
Yeah, let's take a look at it.
Okay, the first glass is single grain AR glass with micro LED and with PVG technology that can reduce the light transparency and also for the leak of the light we avoid. If you see in front of the AR glasses, you cannot see the display image inside the image.
So that's why you're looking at relatively new types, right,
Yeah.
of waveguides?
Yes.
Because the currently what's on the market in glasses, you can still see the display.
Yes. That's one improvement we have done this year. Last year we showed the first generation. Actually, this is the second generation that we developed.
Yeah.
And another glass is full color. Actually, there are two types of AR glasses. One is still using the mature technology like PVG. One is for PVG, the new technology, and another one is a mature technology, is SRG.
Yeah.
And if you compare with these two, the first thing is it can reduce the cost because the new type material reduce the cost and the basic level, fundamental level. And another thing is it can reduce the light leakage as we just said in the green one. And also we use dual core chips. One is for the AR, one from Qualcomm, and another is BES2800. And together with this dual module, actually we extend the battery life 30%.
Wow.
So can improve the performance that we can show the AR glasses you see in here.
Yeah, and you're an OEM company, so this is your reference design, right?
Yes.
So if a customer wants to come to you, wants to make their own glasses, then you can work with this reference design.
Yes, this is the fundamental or the basic module.
Yeah.
Actually, if you have different requirements, and we can change our solutions based on the requirements. And someone focus on the camera only, and someone focus on the display only. So actually, you have different choice, and we can make different solutions for you.
Yeah, you're a very big company, right? So you're very experienced in manufacturing. But are you still interested in working with startups, or are you only interested in working with the big companies?
Actually, both two, we both cooperate. The first thing, we provide service for our big customers, but we also notice that this year they have many startups, they have ideas, they want to change their idea from thinking to the real product. They come to us and we plan to build the new type of cooperation.
Co-creation.
Co-creation.
Yeah.
And also we have like joint development. If you have ideas, and we provide the solutions, and also for the manufacturing our strong skills, so you have the chance to change your ideas to a new product.
Yeah, so interesting. So you can design and manufacture, and you also make your own optics, your own waveguides.
Yes, this is. We think that for the whole module, the first thing is we do have a strong capability to assemble all the things together. But something is important in the core parts, and this is also our main focus. We need to make sure we have this kind of key strategy or key technology we master in our hands.
Yeah. And what's your manufacturing capacity? So for the waveguide on the one side, and then for the whole machine?
The whole machine is our main strength. The waveguide, actually we cooperate with universities, and we cooperate together. They come up from papers to the new materials and build up the materials and we can use. And later we develop new product based on the new technology developed from the university.
Yeah. So at the moment the PVG waveguide is still very new.
Yes.
So you don't have a factory for mass manufacturing yet?
We have actually the waveguide, the PVG waveguide is from Southeast University University. They built up a company and we cooperate with the company. And also the small amount of massive production will be done by the end of this year. So by the end of the year, actually there will be around like 10,000 pieces, and we can test a small amount of massive production for our customers.
Yeah. So when do you go to 100,000?
I think it depends on the market. If they have a very large amount of requirements, and it will be soon. Actually, we talked with our partners, like the PVG companies. They said if you have the requirement for the next 1 year or 2 years, you have a very large amount of massive production will be done.
I see. So for the mono green, that's already very mature, right?
Yeah.
And how do you do the full color? Do you do this in 3 chips, so 3 waveguides for each, or do you have like 2 waveguides for 3 colors?
I tell you, actually there are 2 types. One is for PVG and one is for SRG. For SRG, actually it uses 1 piece to have 3 different colors to display. And for PVG, actually they have 2. One is for RG and another for BG. And merged together, you have 3 colors display.
Interesting. Okay, thank you. So, apart from the manufacturing for the waveguides, that still has to be scaled, right? You need the projects with the customers together, and then you scale it up. And what other roadblocks or what are the challenges for manufacturing for glasses?
Actually, there is one common challenge for all the manufacturing parts. As you see, if you want a glass, you go to the prescription store, and you have different eye size and width and depth with the nose height. Different parameters will affect the display you feel. Actually, if you do just the massive production for the single parameters, you cannot feed all the people. So there must be a solution to let the customer to do tiny change or the tiny adjustment.
Yeah.
So this is the major problem that you have to solve. Actually, for these 2 days, when different people they to test our product, they ask the same question. Someone say, I cannot see very clear. Someone say, oh, it's very good. So you can see if you fix the parameter size for the glass, you cannot feed all the people. So how to change the product to feed all the people actually is a very hard challenge.
Yeah. But you will work with your customers and you will figure something out.
Yeah.
Okay, so typically when a customer comes to you and has some ideas about a project, how long does it take? And so how long does it take if they want to make something without display?
I see.
And how long does it take with waveguides?
Actually, we are very fast team. For this demo, actually, we just use 3 months to build up this prototype. So if the customer want a demo or with a new prototype, actually, I guess like 3 months to 6 months, you can have a full version of the product you can see.
Wow, that's cool. So what do you think how the market will evolve in the next 2 years for like without display and with display?
This is a very challenging problem, right? Because different people have different requirements.
Yeah.
For me, like I want just the cameras because I want to record the lifestyle, and some people they want to see the display. It depends on the environment that you are working with. Someone often travel abroad. See, they may need like translations. They may need to like Google Map the directions to navigations. In that case, they need like display directly rather than just the photo recording. So it depends on different people. But normally people, I think they are very interested in the display part. Someone even want full color because they want to see the colorful image or the videos in front. But the problem is you require more and the glass is heavy and you cannot have a very good user experience. So it depends on the different situations.
Yeah, you already mentioned it, right? You have this 2-chip solution just to increase it. Yeah, the battery life. So yeah, we're at CIOE here and I see that your products are very popular, right? So many people come here. So how's the show for you so far?
I think it's fantastic. These 2 days we stand for a very long time. A lot of people ask different technical specifications, and even some people from Middle East, some people from USA, some people from Europe, and some of them are new startup. They have ideas, but they don't have ability to have a very quick prototype. We are try hard to work with a fast reaction team to provide service for them.
Awesome. Yeah, thanks for the interview.
You're welcome.
Really great.
Bye.
Great to meet you. Thank you so much.
Bye.